If you love having a lawn but hate the mowing, then this video is for you. The reason why you clicked on this video is maybe because you're tired of mowing, or maybe because you've never even heard of PGR, Plant Growth Regulator, because the lawn care professionals don't want you to know about it.
It's a conspiracy, man!
That would mean that they would stop mowing your lawn once or twice a week, and it would cut back to once or twice a month. They don't want that. They want to cut your lawn as much as possible. Sorry, Jake.
This is business, not personal.
So this time of year, we are getting lots of rain. The temperature is coming up and the grass is starting to grow really fast. I'm mowing like 3-5 times a week, and my green bin is getting super full. If you're tired of mowing that many times in a week, then PGR, Plant Growth Regulator, is for you, and I'm going to explain everything you need to know about it. That way you can stop mowing 3 to 5 times a week, and you can cut back to that 1, maybe 2 times just to enjoy the mow. So what a plant growth regulator does is it literally just stunts the growth of your grass.
Literally.
You guys remember when we were kids, at least when I was a kid, junior high, and they're like, oh man, coffee, if you drink coffee at a young age, it would stunt your growth, or if you start working out too hard right now, it's really gonna stunt your growth. I wonder if that was just like a lie to get your parents to, so you wouldn't drink their coffee or something. If you're stunting the growth on top, it's really gonna push that deep roots, and it's actually gonna grow the plant out instead of up, which could be really beneficial, having those deep roots, especially coming into the summer, heat, stress months. One of the most important things before you put it down is make sure your lawn is in tip-top shape, because whatever stage your lawn is in right now, and then you put PGR down, that's what it's going to be like for the next 25-30 days. Especially for us real mow people that like to mow low, this is definitely beneficial. You can tell all this is real mowed, but then you come out here and you see these distinct lines. This is not real mowed. That's because I did not have enough room in my green bin to fit all the clippings. At the same time, when you use this stuff and you have areas like this that you need to fill in, dead spots, I'm going to be getting some dirt and some seed and filling those spots in. And since my grass is already gonna have that PGR, I don't have to be worried about it growing super tall before it germinates. Like this area right here, I'll be filling it in. Yeah, I see it, buddy. But since you have that PGR down, your grass isn't gonna be super tall by the time it germinates, and you can mow again. It's another benefit to the PGR. How you apply it is actually very simple. You're gonna mow first because you want to cut the grass blades. You're gonna need a backpack sprayer and some kind of measuring cup. Then you measure out your PGR into your backpack sprayer. I also like to add iron, and then you don't wanna water it in.
Don't touch it! All right.
My weatherman said that it wasn't gonna rain till tomorrow, and I mean, I don't know about your guys' weatherman, but mine's always right. He never predicts that we won't get rain, and then we always get rain.
Real mature, man.
Yeah, don't you ever tell me how to live my life again.
So let's get to mowing, and then let's get to throwing it down so that we can stop mowing more often. Mowing before putting down plant growth regulator would take me like an hour and a half sometimes. And then after using plant growth regulator, sometimes it would take me 30 minutes. But that's the beauty of using this stuff, is that it cut down on mowing time, and you won't be filling your green bin all the way to the brim. So just like most liquid applications, you're going to want to fill your tank halfway with just water before you start adding any of the liquid. This isn't the actual bottle that the T-Nex PGR comes in. This is just a windshield wiper bottle, because I split a bottle with Brew from Brew Builds. I definitely recommend splitting a bottle with a buddy or a neighbor, because it's a whole gallon, and it would take you a long time to actually use the gallon, where the shelf life of this product is about 3 to 5 years according to the label. Along with the surfactant that I added, I also am adding the Lawn Whisperers Midnight. It's got nitrogen as well as it's got iron. And the reason that I want to add this is because sometimes when you apply PGR, there is a slight discoloring, and the iron will prevent it from being discolored. It'll give it a big green pop along with stunting the growth of the grass. Just like everything, make sure you read the label and make sure you read how much to use on your type of grass, as well as make sure you agitate the water really well. You really want to mix this thing up before you apply it. Appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you learned something. And if you didn't and didn't enjoy it, then act like it never happened. Pat McAfee. Have a great night. It is beautiful May weather, and I will see you guys next time when I'm not mowing and enjoying the lawn. Later on the mention.
I will see you there, or I will see you on another time.